Saving the planet doesn't have to be difficult. It can start with what kids wear to school. Since 2020, many of our products are made using recycled plastic bottles, and so far we have used over 10 million, which is equivalent to around 101 Olympic-sized swimming pools. All high quality, durable, and planet-friendly. For example, approximately 35 bottles make up one blazer, 21 bottles make up a pair of trousers, and 22 bottles make up a sports polo. Our garments are built to last, with strong seams, reinforced areas, and adjustable fits, so the clothes get passed on and not thrown out. Our products are made with no nasty PFAs or harmful dyes. We also support amazing causes like Rainbow's Hospice by donating uniform with small faults regularly so that nothing goes to waste. The same donations are made to Goods for Good, who provide essential items like clothing, shoes, bedding, and hygiene products to people in need across the UK and worldwide. We also give vouchers to an organisation called Uniformed, which helps every child get the uniform they need. From our own factories to ethical partners worldwide, we keep standards high and practices fair. Where possible, we choose sea freight because it produces far less carbon than flying. Electric car chargers for staff? Of course, because green starts at home and work. Our food waste is collected on a weekly basis, where the waste gets broken down into biogas that can be used as a source of energy and biofertilizer to be used in agriculture. Additionally, we go beyond the recycling basics with regular collections for batteries, soft plastics and cardboard. Small steps, real change. Let's look after tomorrow together. Visit the Price Buckland website to read our full sustainability pledge and learn more.